In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can set up a simple client portal. This is good if you're running a services business, for instance, like a web design company, and you want to have private areas for your customers so that you can write them private notes and keep them updated on the progress. So the customers will be able to log in and then see what the content is that you've put there for strictly them. Okay, so it's secure. Only the people that you give access to the certain client area will be able to get in there. Okay, and as you might gather, we're going to be using WordPress for this. So the first step is going to be to install WordPress. And I'm going to show you how to do that quickly here using the control panel from your hosting. Now, of course, you're going to need a domain name and you're going to need a hosting account. So those are two things you're going to have to get first. If you're running a business, of course, you should already have one. So in our example here, we're going to set up a web design company. And in there, we'll create our introduction page. It shows our services and whatnot. And then we'll have a private area. So we're going to do that throughout this video series. So in the first video, we're going to go and install WordPress. Now, if you already know how to install WordPress, you can skip to video 3.